You like chicken, right? But this chicken is cute, right? How would you like not killing it? Congratulations, now you can.
Biotechnology company called Supermeat has just developed a way to sell meat without actually having to slaughter animals. Check it out.
Eating meat without killing animals. Boom. Write this name down. Supermeat. What do? Real meat, not harming animals. No, it's not fake meat, Tampa meat, almost meat, or all those other non-meats. It's real meat that tastes and feels like meat because it is real meat, without harming animals.
That's right, this is not a meat alternative. This is real meat, actual animal tissue. So why am I promoting this on my channel?
First of all, because Supermeat will help keep our round world clean and safe to live in. How? Well, for the same amount of meat, cultured meat uses 99% less land, emits up to 96% less greenhouse gases, and uses up to 96% less water than the meat industry today. Second, Supermeat will help solve world hunger. See, because of the world's limited resources, it will soon be impossible to feed its fast increasing population. With Supermeat, very little resources are needed. Thirdly, Supermeat will be healthier than conventional meat because we can actually supervise the production. And fourth, and not the least important, the price tag. Supermeat is going to be cheaper than conventional meat. Why? Because culturing meat and then mass producing it is just cheaper than growing and feeding billions of animals.
That's right, so Supermeat is able to offer a solution to people who want to eat meat while being able to decrease greenhouse gas emissions, reduce resources used, even make it cheaper, and it's also non-GMO and arguably healthier as it's easier to control it and monitor it than having a bunch of animals inside a room that's as big as your grandma's kitchen. So how does this work?
Our technology allows us to expand cells isolated from a small tissue biopsy taken without hurting the animals. We organize these cells into minuscule tissues and place them in a unique environment that is designed to perfectly mimic animal physiology, allowing those small tissues to organically grow into large muscles, essentially just like they do in nature. Our technology is unique as it allows for local production or distributed manufacturing. We can place our meat-growing machines in local supermarkets, in restaurants, and even at your own home.
So Supermeat claims that they're able to extract stem cells from animals and able to grow meat inside a petri dish, and they also claim that it's not going to harm animals. So it sounds like Supermeat really cares about the animals, the environment, and people's health. But is Supermeat vegan? No. Like I said, this is actual meat. It's not like tofu or seitan. This is actual animal tissue. Now, Supermeat claims that there are no actual animal products inside Supermeat besides the original cells that are used to actually grow the meat. It will still have the cholesterol, the saturated fat, and many other components that are found in animal flesh. So what do other vegan advocates think about Supermeat?
I'm so excited. The Supermeat's taking a progressive stance and working towards cultured meat to replace the current industrial animal agriculture system. This would have benefits not only for the planet, for the animals, but specifically as a physician, what I care about most is the public health benefits. Just the food safety benefits alone, no longer worrying about Salmonella, E. coli, what about bird flu? Talking about the pandemic risk, hundreds of millions of people at risk of flu viruses thanks to the factory farming of specifically broiler meat, chicken meat. So the thought that we could replace the entire global broiler industry is about 45 billion chickens every year. That's from a public health standpoint, from any standpoint, I have nothing but support for this kind of initiative. So please support the Supermeat campaign. Join us in changing modern agriculture.
I want the rape, enslavement, baby stealing, and murder of animals to stop immediately. I would do anything in my power to make their pain and suffering stop. This is why I'm standing behind the Supermeat biofabrication cultured meat movement, which creates meat in a petri dish, in a building, without pain and suffering, without torture, without rape, without stealing babies, and without murder. I know it seems like an odd solution to this problem, but we have to understand that ethics is at the heart of the animal liberation movement, of the vegan movement. So if we can eliminate all the suffering and all the torture and the torment that animals go through, we have to stand behind that. Now, I don't believe that the super meat movement is for vegans. We already have our stuff. Fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, grains, legumes, and all the mock meats that exist right now from companies like Tofurky and Gardein. But this is a viable solution for the meat, dairy, and egg eaters of the world who just simply refuse to stop eating those animal products, those animal body parts. And if we can supply them with an ethical, viable solution, there's no reason why we shouldn't stand behind that. Support the super meat movement.
So there you go, Dr. Michael Greger, Gary Yourofsky, and even Freely the Banana Girl showing their support for super meat, and I stand right by them. As long as there are no animals harmed in this process, I think it's a great solution for people that do not want to give up meat and go vegan. I really wish that people would adopt a plant-based diet because it is the healthiest way to eat. But we are at a point where millions of animals are being slaughtered every day. So many of our resources are being used, our forests are being cut down for grazing, our oceans are being polluted because people want to eat meat. Now there's no excuse. What do you think about super meat? Do you think it's an ethical solution for people to follow? And would you eat super meat if no animals are harmed, even if you are vegan? Let me know your thoughts down below and share this video so other people can learn more about this information. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and follow me on social media at Bananiac. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Now it's your turn. Seriously, this actually matters. If you want to change the world by creating real meat that doesn't harm any animals, pledge now and let's do this. Super Meat. That's our name, and we only have one goal. What would be better than getting meat from killing animals? Getting meat without killing animals.